Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For anyone new here, hi, I'm Lilia. Traveling is my passion, and for the past 2 years I've been traveling all over, documenting my adventures on YouTube. Right now I'm backpacking through India with my friend Ella. On the last episode we enjoyed cooler weather and a slower pace in northern India. This is the 4th episode in my Backpacking Through India series, and we're headed for Rishikesh, the Mecca of yoga. People come from all over the world to get certified in a bunch of different yoga practices. Join Ella and I while we take some yoga classes and take part in a very special Hindu celebration honoring the goddess Ganga. Hi everyone. After 3 buses overnight and 2 Tuk Tuks, Ella and I have finally made it to Rishikesh. What time is it? Like 2 p.m. We left at 6:30 p.m. yesterday. Just made it, but now we're at this delicious restaurant and we've ordered a shahi paneer and a malai kofta and 4 rotis. So we're very excited and very hungry. All right, we're at Desi's restaurant and I'm trying a salty lassi for the first time. It smells normal. It tastes like I just drank salt water. Like I was in the ocean and a wave just crashed over me. Try it. Laundry day. No big deal. We just have to strain our own laundry. And in this, I've never seen a washer machine like that. And then we hang it right here. But we picked the perfect day. There's lightning over there, so. Good morning. It's our first full day in Rishikesh. I woke up super late. I guess I was really tired from our multiple bus rides yesterday. And so we had a late start, but we got breakfast at the place we went to yesterday. It was really good. I've become obsessed with pad masala, a masala peanut. It's basically like pico de gallo, but with like Indian flavors. It's so good. And then we got this really yummy mango juice that is right by our hostel. It was super fresh. I'm trying to stay away from dairy right now because my nose is like, I have really bad sinus issues going on right now. And I know dairy like exacerbates that. But now we're just at the ATM and Ella just pulled out cash. What's up guys? It's our second day in Manali, and me and Ella spent the morning at a cute cafe, and now we're walking to this pedestrian overpass over the water. It's a little crazy though, as you can see, lots of action happening, but that's just India. on the bridge and it's very shaky, but I'm sure it's sturdy. Ella and I made it to the Arti celebration on the river. They do this every night. What? Ganga Arti is a pleasant ritual worshiping the Ganga, and it happens every evening. It happens every evening right along the river here in Rishikesh. It's a very beautiful ceremony where they do a lot of hums and chants and bells. Will our clothes make it, Ella?
I really hope so, but I have my doubts.
And it's just a little windy. We're back at the South Indian restaurant because because we're doing their Kerala Sadhya. Is that how you say it? We're here for the Sadhya, which is a traditional, which means feast in Hindu, and it's their like a traditional Southern Indian cuisine where they put a bunch of different foods on a banana leaf. Oh, that is so pretty.
So this is avial. It's like a
Alright, I guess we just use our hands, right? What do we do? We just like make it like into a ball maybe? And just like dip it in. Yeah. 1 second. Ella just asked me for a serviette.
What's that called?
It's a napkin, Ella. Okay, now we're ready for business. That one's very good.
चाय मैगी बंद मस्का दे रहा हूँ पकड़ोगे कैसे बाबूजी पकड़ लो तो ये लो
Me and Ella got handed flowers. We don't know what to do with it. We'll watch. Ella and I are at the yoga capital of the world and are having a hard time finding a yoga class. There's supposed to be 6 a.m. yoga in our hostel. I woke up at 6 a.m. This is where it's supposed to happen. So now we're gonna watch a YouTube video and do our own yoga. Me and Ella just booked our train tickets. If you don't do it like 15 or 20 days in advance, you can't get it. But we found a Wonder Woman who was able to find us tickets. Like literally, there was 3 left and we got 2 of them. And this is where we went. It's right by our hostel. Oh, I forgot to say we're staying at Backstayz and it's right down the street from there. I'll do a video of it. It's a little grocery store, but she saved our life. Class yoga! It is our last day in Rishikesh. We have a 19-hour train ride today at 7:45 p.m. Ella left her necklace at the aerial yoga place we were at, and they had it!
I'm so happy.
But how long have you had that necklace for?
2 years.
2 years!
Taking it off.
Without taking it off. But you had to take it off for aerial yoga for safety reasons or whatever. But they had it, so we're good to go. Now we're gonna go find some Bazam street food because Ella and I have been making the mistake of not taking advantage of Indian street food. So I'm feeling chole bhature.
If we can find it.
That's the goal, baby. The goal, those umbrellas. All right, Ella and I are trying samosas for the first time. I love the packaging. Newspaper, sustainable. I tried asking what was in it. He didn't understand me, so it's gonna be a surprise. Cheers. It's like potato masala. Yummy. You ate yours much more gracefully than I did. Another yoga class. Woohoo! We're gonna do a vinyasa, right? Hatha vinyasa. Hatha vinyasa. Might as well just do all the yoga on our last 2 days while we're in the yoga capital of the world. We're on our way to the train. Look at me and Julia. baby. Next adventure, baby. Oops. So in India, to cross the train tracks, you don't use the ramp. You just cross the railroad tracks. This is our crib for the next 19 hours. This is my bed. Welcome to my crib. I don't feel comfortable with this being right by my head. Basically, if you pull that, the train will stop, and I sleep right here. Like, what if, just accidentally, you know? Anyways, we're off, and yeah, we'll be here for 19 hours. This is our dinner with some chapati. But it doesn't come with a ticket. It costs extra, but no one told us, so just be prepared for that. We paid 130 rupee, which isn't too bad, but just an FYI.